If you've ever wanted to throw your WordPress website out the window, you are not alone. We've had clients for many years come to us with that same frustrations. Plugins were breaking, their stacked tools were clashing, monthly costs rising for a system that no one liked or trusted. This is a video to walk you through the why that helped a certification business like yours escape from that chaos, and how we helped them move to an approach that was leaner, cheaper, and far more scalable. We'll show you what went wrong, what we replaced, and whether leaving WordPress is the right move for you or your business. We've helped dozens of organizations, especially in the certification and sustainability industry, make a clean break from WordPress. There is a world after WordPress, and you can get there without a loss of SEO, no drop in traffic, just better systems. And this isn't a rant, but it is a breakdown of why we made the choice to move on and set up the choices you need to consider when making the switch. Now, WordPress is not inherently bad. It's like the Toyota Corolla of the internet. It gets you from A to B. But if you're running a complex business, like a certification provider with membership directories, real-time data, scoring dashboards, events, different integrations, WordPress starts to collapse under its own weight. And here's a real example. A sustainably focused professional firm came to us. They had over 40 plugins managing their site, a legacy theme that was no longer supported, a broken contact form that no one had noticed for months, pages still relying on long-time depreciated plugins, and no idea whether passwords or the site was even hosted. It was functional, but barely. And the deeper we dug, the more duct tape we found. Most people think WordPress is cheap, but the reality is that it is not. Here's what that team was really spending just to keep the lights on for their website. $1,500 a month for the ability just to call their vendor and ask for the opportunity to change or update things, or $1,200 a month for ongoing additional fixes that they found, and then over $60 a month on plugins, plugin licenses. That's close to $3,000 every single month for a fragile backend held together by third-party tools, unnecessary processes, and a lot of hope. Every new feature risks breaking the three others, and every update came with a silent prayer: please don't crash the site. Do you want to see how this could add up for your organization? We've built a free WordPress cost calculator. Just punch in your numbers. It's eye-opening. You'll get a lot of good data. The link is below. Now, to be fair, WordPress works. If you're writing a blog, a simple portfolio, or landing page, that is the way to go. It's ubiquitous. You can find people that know what they're doing anywhere to help, and there's a plugin for almost everything. But that flexibility comes at a cost. As one of our developers said in our recent workshop, that flexibility comes with chaos, without governance, strategy, and expert maintenance. But for certification organizations trying to scale vertically, such as adding app integration, automating standard scoring, or unifying different CRMs, WordPress simply isn't designed for that level of integration. It's built to scale content, not to scale systems. If you're scaling horizontally, let's say spinning up 10 different microsites for different events, WordPress shines. We like that. But if you're building a full stack ecosystem with live data, events, different CRMs, different apps, you're going to start to feel the cracks quickly. Yes, WordPress does have a plugin for everything, but that's a trap. Plugins are both the power and the poison. Once they go unsupported, you're stuck rebuilding core functionality from scratch. And when everything depends on 45 interlocking plugins, you're not managing a website anymore. You're managing a house of cards. So what do you gain when you leave? It's opportunity. It's the ability to move from a brochure site to integrated CRM, to a data hub, to fully app integrated software that allows you to share critical information and deep connection between your marketing site, your software, and any other of your digital tools. This original client we end up rebuilding their site using our regenerative digital framework, that modern stack that is built for scale. Overnight, their load times improved. The editors can make changes without breaking the layout. No more midnight plugin updates. No more white screens of death. No more, hey, can someone fix this form emails? And best of all, it became theirs. The team now had full control of their CMS, clear roles and permission, clean, scalable content structures, and a site ready for SEO, lead gen, and future campaigns. And the kicker, that they paid the same amount as they were already spending on their WordPress band-aids. If you're watching this thinking, yeah, that sounds like us, don't guess. Use the free calculator below, take 2 minutes, no opt-in needed. You'll get a picture of what WordPress is really costing you and what moving to a modern stack could save. If you're ready to rebuild the right way, check out our next video in this series, the modern stack we recommend for certification providers, or drop your situation in the comments. We read and reply to every single one. Don't stay stuck in WordPress hell. We escaped it, we help others, and so can you.